Hello, I'm Ginny Brandt with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. And today I'd like to talk about blueberries, the 7 benefits they give for health and longevity. You'll see today that blueberries are among the most nutrient-dense food on this planet. At a mere 85 calories for 1 cup, they also are low in glycemic index and glycemic load and contain lots of fiber. So let's look at the 7 benefits for health and longevity that we can get from these delicacies of nature. First on the list, blueberries lower heart disease risk. It's the polyphenols that reduce high blood pressure, and the plant compounds themselves improve blood vessel elasticity while enhancing the endothelial lining of your blood vessels. Now, these blueberries also contain flavonols called anthocyanins and resveratrol. So these are very important plant compounds for the heart. Number 2, blueberries improve brain function and prevent Alzheimer's and dementia. It's the high antioxidants in blueberries that neutralize free radicals before they damage our cells. Now, I first heard this from Dr. Vincent Fortnescue, who is a renowned neurologist at UCLA. Dr. Fortnescue lost his own father to Alzheimer's disease, and he recommends that you eat a cup of blueberries every single day. But he's not the only neurologist. I follow 6 to 7 neurologists, including Dr. Dale Bredesen of Duke University and Dr. David Perlmutter. Dr. Perlmutter also lost his father to Alzheimer's disease. So it's very important that we get these blueberries that have these anthocyanins that enhance circulation, and they also help repair brain cells. All right, number 3, are you ready? Blueberries reduce inflammation. Did you know that inflammation is the root cause of almost every disease on the planet? I'm talking about depression, dementia, Alzheimer's disease, cancer, autoimmune, and so many other chronic diseases. If you can reduce inflammation, it will help to repair cells with the antioxidants that are in blueberries. And when you reduce inflammation, all diseases will improve, as will pain, because pain is caused by inflammation. So anything we can do to lower inflammation will be most helpful, and blueberries do that for us. Now, number 4, one of my favorite things to talk about, since I am a cancer survivor, is that blueberries help to prevent cancer. Now, according to Dr. William Lee, who is a Harvard medical doctor, he says that blueberries cut off the blood supply to cancer tumors. And when he trained at Harvard Medical School, it was a doctor that he trained under, one of his professors, that invented the cancer drug called Avastin. What does Avastin do? It's a synthetic chemical that cuts off the blood supply to cancer tumors. So your doctors may be using this on your body if you have cancer, particularly colon cancer. Dr. Lee says that blueberries actually cut off the blood supply to cancer tumors almost as well as Avastin. So again, you can do it from the inside naturally while your doctor is doing it from the outside. But when you use blueberries, there are no side effects. Important to know. All right, number 5, blueberries, they are a fruit, but they improve insulin sensitivity. It's the bioactive compounds in blueberries that outweigh the 15 grams of sugar and that are found in 1 cup. It's the flavonoids in the blueberries that improve insulin sensitivity. Now, if you're like me, I'm always looking for ways I can improve my insulin sensitivity, especially as I get older. All right, number 6, blueberries actually prevent infections and boost the immune system. Now, how do they do this? Well, they contain anti-adhesives that prevent bacterial infections from binding to the bladder wall. So if you tend to have a lot of bladder infections, you're going to want to eat more blueberries. The anthocyanins, again, boost immune function and play an essential role in our lungs and respiratory tract. During this time when COVID, believe it or not, is still out there, we want to boost our immune system and do everything we can to help our lungs and reduce inflammation as well. Last but not least, blueberries increase longevity. What a gift. I mean, longevity. Everyone knows, if you're a doctor or a research scientist, that the secret to longevity is having a healthy endothelial lining to your blood vessels. And as we mentioned before, this is exactly what the anthocyanins do in blueberries. They enhance those blood vessel walls, that lining, and that allows you to live longer. So put me down for that one as long as I have grandchildren to play with, right? Just call blueberries the most nutrient-dense gift on the planet. They are a gift of nature that keeps on giving, and now you know why. As someone who lost her father to Alzheimer's disease, my father-in-law to heart disease, and both mother and mother-in-law to cancer, this gal and her husband eat 1 cup of blueberries every day. We buy them fresh and frozen and organic. And I recommend that you consider adopting this our little gift secret to you of how you can enhance your health in so many ways just by eating a cup of blueberries a day. You might say a cup of blueberries helps to keep the doctor away. Something to think about. I hope you will subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with people you know that might be interested. And also push the notification button so you'll know when I post a new video. Here's to your health. Blueberries, a gift of nature. And again, I get them every day in my chocolate, blueberry, banana smoothie. So bottoms up, and it's good. There's also a YouTube video in the show notes on how to make this famous smoothie that does so much for our body. So here is to your health. May God bless you on your health journey.